Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.25-inch IPS touchscreen spatial head unit from Nissan Altima 2019 to 2020 years. Okay, let me unbox review. Okay, you can check head unit with good condition. This harness and install part. And this is head unit. Okay, let me introduce harness set first. You can check this install part. Left and right. With screws. Okay. This is harness and cable. Canvas box. Okay, and this power and the speaker. Okay, this is radio antenna. This is camera input and the radio antenna. Okay, this connect to back of head unit. Okay. This GPS antenna. This camera input. And original USB. This comes with two USB cable and external microphone. AUX input, left and right RC type. Okay, and AUX cable, AUX input left and right, and video input. And this audio cable, subwoofer, and audio outputs left and right, rear and front. Okay. Okay, you can check this back. This reset hole. Okay, and power, fuse, GPS, and AUX, USB, other cable. This radio antenna port. This Wi-Fi antenna. Okay, you can check. Okay, let me connect power cable. I'm back, connected. Okay, the screw will update. Okay, you can check this front UI interface system port 25-inch IPS touchscreen. Okay, please take out this screen protector before using. Okay, you can check brightness, its date and time, and this radio. Click search button to search the radio stations. It's home, it's navy, this band, it's mute, it's model. Bluetooth. Okay. Very fast response you can check. Let me check about motion is PX6 chip. Fast response. Android 9 you can update the Android 10 system. Storage 34 GB. Wi-Fi you can connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, connect to Wi-Fi. It's the 4G Sport 4G mobile phone network and the hotspot from your phone. Okay, built-in microphone. Okay, this app's APK installer and the DSP amplifier is control settings. And Google Maps, built-in Google Maps Play Store, you can download the applications from Play Store. And the Link app for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. It's Google Maps. Okay, thank you.